Indian armed forces have carried out precise attacks on Pakistan military targets, including technical infrastructure, command and control center, radar sites and weapon storage area in retaliation to Islamabad's escalatory and provocative actions. In the major steps toward expanding bilateral trade and investment engagement, the first round of negotiation for the India-New Zealand Free Trade Agreement concluded successfully in New Delhi yesterday. In a social media post, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed that in view of the prevailing situation between India and Pakistan, about 70 students from Meghalaya have been accommodated in Meghalaya House, Delhi. Indian Army near Jammu has destroyed Pakistani post and terrorist launch pad from where two launch drones were being launched. The stage is set for the grand inaugural event of the 72nd edition of the Miss World pageant in Hyderabad this evening.